Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a wheelchair-bound landscaper who doesn't let his disability stop him from making a life for himself. With that story, here's Kian Morgan.
Just try like for work, my own, I see it.
A driver powered by independence, a wheelchair, and a weed whacker. For Delroy Jackson of Bog Walk in St. Catherine, his current condition is no deterrent for leading a productive life.
If I just get myself occupied, tell myself I'm not going to really sit down and fret over a situation.
About 8 years ago, the landscaper says he fell from a coconut tree after securing a load to sell. However, the accident, which left him with a damaged spine, somehow left him with an unbroken spirit.
I decide says like, I just now sit down and really sit down and say, boy, just lay back hands, I just try to motivate myself to a thing and know say I can manage it,
And after 4 years and countless unsuccessful surgeries, Delroy decided to pick up where he left off. At first, he admits it was rough to move around and work while sitting down, but now he has gotten used to it.
Let's go back and start it right now. More time find foot then cramp up or them way there, but right now it working and becomes normal.
Albeit, there's still a challenge.
But there, so now and for go down on the road, they go back walk and for come up, they have difficulty to come up. Because most time the taxi man, them now carry me up and them say, why sometimes the father them say, can't bother there your problem and me can't this and then can't manage to lift up wheelchair.
Still, Delroy is motivated despite the discrimination. It is why he pushes and pulls himself so hard, as the aim is to get the job done. He's encouraging others in a similar situation to use him as motivation.
Nobody look upon life and say, boy, through one thing done, I got move out. Can find another way to move out, you just motivate yourself, just make yourself say it's a motivation. It's an encouragement to know, say, yeah, see a man like this, I move and can do him thing, say, you can do it same way.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.